Garden decking, an essential guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very specific but interesting phrase, garden decking. This term might be new to many of you, so let's dive in and understand what it means and how it's used. Garden decking refers to a platform, typically made of wood or composite materials, built outdoors in a garden or yard. It's a popular feature in many homes, providing a comfortable space for outdoor activities like dining, relaxing, or entertaining guests. Think of it as an extension of the living space but outside in the fresh air. Garden decking usually consists of decking boards. These are the planks that form the surface of the decking. They can be made of wood, like pine or cedar, or composite materials. Supports and framing. This is the structure that holds the decking boards in place. It's usually hidden underneath the boards. Railings. Some decks, especially raised ones, have railings for safety and aesthetic purposes. Steps and access points. If the decking is raised, it will often have steps leading up to it. Garden decking has become increasingly popular for several reasons. Aesthetic appeal. It adds a beautiful and practical touch to any garden. Versatility. It can be used for various activities, from barbecues to sunbathing. Value addition. Decking can increase the value of a property. There are different styles and designs of garden decking. Traditional wooden decking, classic and natural looking. Composite decking, made from a mixture of wood fibers and plastic. It's durable and low maintenance. Elevated or multi-level decking, adds dimension to a garden and is great for uneven terrains. I hope this video has shed light on the concept of garden decking and its various aspects. Whether you're planning to install decking in your garden or just curious about this term, understanding garden decking is a great addition to your English vocabulary. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.